And before we start, remember that you will find all the registry paths, group policy locations, and the command in the pinned comment so you can copy them quickly. The first method is through the registry editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and go to this path. Then on the right side, look for Disable Task Manager, double-click it and set the value to 0, then restart your PC. The second method is using the Group Policy Editor if you have Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise. Open Run, type pedit.mscg. Then navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then System, then Control plus Alt plus Del Options. Then double-click Remove Task Manager and set it to Disabled or Not Configured. The third method is via command prompt. Open CMD as administrator and run this command. Then restart your PC.